Hey guys, this is EX Gaming Life Safety Guy, and it will be wall system test number 3. So for our pull station, we have the the Firelight BG12. Sorry about that, but standard BG12 push and pull down, nothing special about it. It's hex wrench 1, and it's non-addressable, it's just conventional. This is not a part of the system. Coming up, we have a System Sensor Spectraler Classic on Temporal 3, low volume. Following the wire to my exit sign, we have a Potter MBA-6-24 bell. This is a vibrating bell, and it'll be on continuous. This bell is pretty loud. Got this for $15 on eBay. And yeah, pretty great price for a bell, brand new in box. And this is just a standard smoke detector. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and pull the alarm. Wow, that is loud. Let me pause the camera so I can go ahead and shut this. Alright, so that was a really loud test. Very loud. System Sensor Classic is really loud, and the bell is really loud. Might add another device soon. Maybe not, but it just depends. Just decided to do a Fireline video since I haven't done one in about a week or two. So yeah, this is located into my bedroom, and I might be doing another shed system test number. I might be doing another shed test number again. So yeah, sorry that I'm stuttering. Well, this will end it. There might be a new fire alarm unboxing video coming soon. And yeah, thanks for watching.